Yeah, yo, you have so much attitude, my girl. Me have something for you, wind up yourself. Me have something for you, wind up yourself, your body make me heart just a melt. All day upon the gram, me a mention. Can't tell you say you, girl, them good, ready. I know me want your body every day.
Hey loves, I'm here to give you this summer vibes makeup tutorial. So if you're interested in this look, please keep watching. First, I'm going to blend with that violet color from my BH Cosmetic palette, Take Me to Brazil, and I'm going to blend on each eye. Then I'm going to take that dark purple color and go underneath the violet color and just blend the two colors together. Now I'm going to cut my crease with my concealer LA Girl Pro in the color Toffee. Trouble, baby, and I can't break away. I thought that I could keep it low. Take it easy, take it slow. Next, I'm going to take that green and apply it on my waterline to give that pop summery color. Then I'm going to apply this yellow to the beginning part of my cut crease. After that, I'm going to take the baby blue and apply it to the end of my cut crease. Hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight. I'm going to make sure I blend the two colors to give it that ombre effect. Paint the skies, all because of you. And I'm going to take a beauty wipe to clean up all the excess eyeshadow. Now it's finally time to get into this face. So first I'm going to start by using my Fit Me foundation, Dewy, in the number 360. I'm going to take the same concealer that I used to cut my crease. It's LA Girl Pro in the color Toffee. Make it last forever. Stop in time. Yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight. Chemicals collide. Hold tight. I'm going to make sure my beauty blender is damp and I'm going to start blending all the concealer. paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights, paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me.
I'm gonna go in with my e.l.f. contour palette, and this is my first time using it, and so far so good. I really love it. Same e.l.f. contour palette, and also contour my nose. Now I'm going to set with my Airspun setting powder. Now I'm going to take my Wet n Wild pencil and line my lips. I'm going to go in with my Nicka Beauty Strawberry Lip Gloss. This is my all-time favorite lip gloss so far. It's inexpensive, the most $2 at your local beauty spot. Now I'm going to take my brush and brush off the excess setting powder. Now I'm going to take my MAC finishing powder in the color Dark Tan and take it all over my face to give it that nice finished look. Now here comes every girl's favorite part, the highlight. So what I'm going to do is take Bella Pierre highlight in the shade Slutty, and I'm going to highlight my cheeks, my nose, you know. I'm going to take an off-brand version of NYX matte setting spray. I'm going to spray it all over my face to give it that finishing look. This is the finishing look. I hope you guys enjoyed this summer vibe makeup tutorial. Please comment, like, and subscribe, and turn on your notifications.